Hey, let's use ChatGPT to help us build out a custom plugin for WordPress that is a mortgage calculator. Hey, ChatGPT, can you please build out a custom WordPress plugin that is a mortgage calculator with the basic fields? Let's see what it'll do for us. Absolutely. So initially it's giving me my custom fields, boom, boom, boom. And then they're even mentioning the short code that they can write for me. Makes sense. And they've already started. Create the plugin file. It's giving me instruction on how to go create the new file and what to name the file. It's actually starting to write the file for me. Really incredible. Let's see. Oh, goodness. It's already giving me the style for it, CSS, as well as that short code. So the next prompt is, would you like to download a zipped version to upload in the dashboard? Are you using any particular theme like Cadence or Divi? It knows that from just the history of my using this tool. Here's what we're going to do. Next step to drop this in is to go over to our website. Let's go log in. All right. We're going to need an extra plugin. So we're going to install a plugin. Actually, it's already in here. Way to go. You're going to want to install WP File Manager. This is going to allow you to make those folders easily and quickly and drop these things in to start testing. So let's do that. Let's go into your plugin now that it's installed, right? This will get you access into your themes area as well as your plugins area. And that's exactly where we want to drop in this information. So I've already got a couple of custom plugins in here anyway. Let's get back over to our mortgage calculator and follow the instructions. So first thing it's saying is create a new folder in your WP Content Plugins directory and name it Mortgage Calculator. So a new folder. Let's go back in here in our plugins area. We're going to right mouse click and say new folder and call it Mortgage Calculator. Done. Next step. Then inside, create a file named Mortgage Calculator PHP. I'm going to copy that, jump over here, open up that folder by double clicking on it, and create a new file. We're just going to say plain text for now and overwrite it completely where the full file name is mortgage-calculator.php. Awesome, that exists. Click on Edit File. That's going to open up your editor here, allowing you to easily drop in the code that Chatty wrote for us. So we're going to copy this whole code by clicking that little icon, copy. Come back over here, paste it in. You want to be certain that there's no space at the bottom of your file. They also give you the opportunity to add a little description in here so you can put the author's name as you, with the help of Chatty. Save and close. Awesome. All right, that's step one complete. Let's scroll down. If we want to add in some CSS, that would be great because they've already named it accordingly to our code, and we should be able to add in some style. So let's go back. I'm using Divi in this instance, but for you, you can go into just Appearance, Customize, and we'll just want to go into your CSS file if you're using a child theme or anything like that accordingly. Drop it into the bottom, just paste those things in there, awesome, and publish. Now you might be saying, Kori, we're not seeing anything yet. Well, we've got to do a couple more steps. So hang on, we'll get there. Let's go back over. Now it's saying copy this short code of where you want this all to appear. Let's jump back over here. Let's go to plugins though, because I don't know that we activated our plugin. We did not. Check this out. Mortgage Calculator right here. Let's click activate. Now that's active on our website. Let's be certain nothing's breaking on our website with that activated. Let's go back. Okay, all looks well. Good, good. Let's add a new page for our mortgage calculator. And we're going to paste in that short code. And let's preview our page and see if anything worked. Hey, there it is. Loan amount, let's say $300,000. Let's say interest rate is 5, and we've got in years, it's a 30-year mortgage, and calculate. There's your estimated monthly payments. Isn't that incredible? All right, if you wanted to add more changes to it or anything like that, you can literally just grab your link once you've published the page and continue the conversation with ChatGPT to add further optimization. Have fun!